What is up, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya, and I'm pretty excited about this. I just got back from the Nice Kicks Austin location, and I picked up a pair of Dame for Bapes. Now, I'm really psyched about this pair, and I haven't been psyched about Bape for a long time, at least since like Tokyo Drift, Fast and Furious, like when Teriyaki Boys was actually a thing. I got to my Nice Kicks location at 12:30 in the morning. I was number 2 in line. Now, these shoes are very limited. They were released during All-Star Weekend 2018, released on February 16th. They came in 3 different colorways: a red camo for their friends and family pack, black and green, which were offered on like Adidas.com, Bape stores, select Adidas stores, and select Nice Kicks stores. These shoes, they retailed for $150. In trying to find them on StockX or GoDaddy, you'll see that the red ones, being the most exclusive pair, are the most expensive. So they're about $700 online, and the black ones are about $500. The green ones reselling for about $350. So let's get into the shoes. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. So the upper is actually made out of synthetic material. So when you put your foot inside the shoe, your foot is able to breathe whenever you're partaking in basketball, soccer, etc, etc. Looking at the upper of this shoe, you'll see the classic Bape camo going on, and it has those apes featured around the shoe. On the outside of the shoe, on both shoes, you'll see WGM in collegiate lettering, which stands for World Gone Mad. Towards the heel, you'll see Adidas 3 striping, and on the inside of the shoe, you'll see a Tiger A and Bape styling. It looks pretty dope. On the heel of the shoe, on this camo strip, you'll see the letters YKWTII, which stands for y'all know what time it is. On the tongue strap, you'll actually see numbers pressed in. It's kind of hard to show you on this camera, but take my word for it. I did a lot of research in trying to find out what these numbers meant, but I couldn't find anything. Also on the tongue strap, you'll see Damian Lillard's logo and the Adidas logo on the back of the tongue strap. The lacing system of the shoe, the eyelets punched into the upper, and you'll have 3 anchor points at the back of the shoe. They're like little hooks that hold on to the lacing. Now, whether or not you need these laces on the shoe or not, I'll leave it up to you. The shoe definitely fits like a sock, so I think you could take off the laces and be completely fine. Your shoe will definitely not fly off. Now, the last feature of the upper is obviously the shark eye, which coincides with the midsole's shark mouth. When you see a shark mouth, it's Bape. Now, under that shark mouth paint, you'll see a tan midsole. And this midsole, I know a lot of people were wondering if it was going to be made out of Boost. It's actually made out of Adidas Bounce. Now, Bounce has been around for quite a while now, I think since like 2009, 2010, and it's a lot firmer and offers a lot more support than Boost. So it makes sense that they would put Bounce on a basketball shoe over Boost. Now, one of my favorite parts of the shoe is the sole of the shoe, especially since it's made out of gum material. Now, I'm coming from the indoor soccer world, so all my shoes have gum material on them. It enables you to stop on the hardwood floor on the spot. It enables you to juke out players when you need to. It's pretty good stuff. And towards the end of the sole, you'll actually see Adidas branding with the 3 stripes. In pulling out the insoles of the shoe, you'll see that classic Bape camo going around, and you have those apes that are located in different parts of the sole. On the left side of the shoe, you'll see the Adidas branding, and on the right sole, you'll see A Bathing Ape branding. These insoles are pretty thin, but it's fine because you're gonna be in Bounce midsoles, so you'll have enough cushioning. So in putting on the shoes, I typically wear a 9 when I'm wearing any other Adidas shoes, any other Puma shoes, New Balance, etc. It doesn't matter. But when I typically wear like NMDs or Yeezys, I have to drop down to an 8.5 or even an 8 at some points. These shoes fit pretty true to size. I might even suggest going up a half a size, so maybe a 9.5 would do me well. I wouldn't complain too much. Not that I'm complaining now, they fit well, but a 9.5 would be a little more comfortable. So what do you think about Damian Lillard's new shoe? That collaboration between Bape and Adidas. Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, we'll check you later. Cheers.